Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our Facebook page and yet another interesting hairstyling video tutorial. So just grab your accessories and stay tuned. We are making this lovely pattern on our ponytail and let's see what the end result is going to look like. Make these lovely patterns by taking small partitions and in the end roll it in this way. Make these partitions from top to bottom and then you can always secure it with the help of your lovely small thin rubber bands. Now just grab a beautiful pink ribbon, that too a huge one with a bow on the top, and make crisscross partitions in the hair. By twisting the hair back and forth with the help of these lovely ribbons, you will end up getting a beautiful pretty result on your hair and you are going to look super awesome. So just try it on your own. Aren't you excited for the same? Let's proceed further. Again, we have taken a beautiful ribbon and with the help of these lovely knots, what are we going to make? We are going to make a beautiful lovely hairstyle. Let's see how are we going to do this. Just make up small partitions with the help of this and keep on making these patterns from top to end. And in the end, you will end up love your hairstyle. Proceeding further, just take small partitions of hair like this and fold it in this way by twisting the hair back and forth and making a crisscross patterns by taking just small thin partitions in the hair, and this is going to look super amazing. Isn't it looking super excited? So just try it once. Make the pattern like this in the side way and in the end you will end up getting a lovely beautiful result. Let's see. And this is the stylish braid and you can always roll it into a beautiful bun, and this is how you're going to look. This is simply pretty and you can secure it with the help of your bobby clips or any other thing that you want. Again, we have taken a beautiful red huge ribbon and we are making crisscross patterns like this with the help of the knots around. Let's see how are we going to make this. Just take your hair and make these lovely patterns, crisscross hair, and make pleats from top to end like this. And this is going to really decorate your hair further. Isn't it looking a beautiful lovely flower of 4 petals? Are you excited to see how we have made this? Let's have a look. We have made it with the help of a beautiful thin ribbon and interlock it again with the help of the same and you will end up getting this. Take a small thin ribbon and make beautiful crisscross patterns in this way. Make pleats like this from top to bottom and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely colorful result in the hair, and this is going to suit you definitely. Now we have taken really small thin partitions and with the help of beautiful lovely ribbons of different colors, we have made these patterns, and this is going to give your hair really penchant look and a really vibrant look to your beauty. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Just keep on making these patterns. Now let's see, proceeding further, what are we going to make now? Tie a knot like this with the help of a beautiful ribbon like this, and let's see what are we going to make. Secure it to the end and with the help of the end knot, we are going to make beautiful lovely patterns like this by twisting the hair back and forth and making a crisscross zigzag patterns like this. And in the end, you will love your hair. Isn't it looking super amazing? Proceeding further, we have taken 2 small partitions and roll it like this with the help of your bun pin, and let's see what in the end are we going to get. You have got a beautiful lovely bun. Now with the help of this thin lovely decorative thread, you are going to make this lovely pattern by making partitions in the hair and by taking small parts of hair like this and secure your hair in this pattern, and this is looking super amazing. Proceeding further, aren't you excited to see what are we going to make now? Make beautiful lovely pleat like this and roll your hair into the one like this, and this is make a pleat out of this and roll it in the form of a bun and secure it with the help of your clips. Make your hair a little messy look and this is going to just adorn your beauty, enhance your charm. Proceeding further, again take small partitions in the hair like this and make beautiful lovely crisscross patterns in the hair, and keep on making these patterns by taking small partitions from one side and take it to another side, and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely